Good reports from Yuri Malenchenko monitoring the approach of the Progress from the Zvezda service module at the International Space Station, and the Progress flying 250 miles over the Western African desert. This Progress resupply ship will remain attached to the aft port of the Zvezda service module for about 6 months, providing maneuverability, reboost capability if required for the International Space Station.
How is your station visual right now, Yuri? Good.
The final approach has been initiated. Progress moving in right now at about 0.7 of a meter per second, 125 meters separating the two vehicles.
Yeah, we're getting a good image right now, good view of the docking port. Copy and concur, Yuri. The course data are consistent with the visual reading of the station size. Rate nominal. Copy that.
This docking port that you're looking at in this view from the Progress's external camera was vacated this past Wednesday when the 61 Progress vehicle was undocked. Since then, it has moved to a safe distance away from the station for several days of engineering tests by the Russian flight controllers in Korolyov. It will be deorbited on Friday, April 8th, to burn up harmlessly over the Pacific Ocean.
Yuri, you are go to put page 23 into work and perform the abort command once we reach a range of 30 meters. Copy that.
Progress continuing a smooth approach for its docking to the aft port of Zvezda. Inside 70 meters.
We're about to pass the range of 60. The visual and the course data are consistent. The rate is 0.28, I think. Copy. Continue final approach monitoring, Yuri. Copy. Passing through 50 meter mark. The range is 0.17. Copy.
Everything going very well. Some 45 meters separating the two vehicles. The Progress's docking mechanism has now been powered up.
Docking port visual. Very good. Centered. We are not getting the visual on the docking target quite yet. We confirm SSP ready status. We are eclipse -2. Copy, Moscow.
The space station in progress about to cross the border between Ukraine and southwest Russia at an altitude of 250 statute miles, everything proceeding normally for the automated docking of the Progress just a few minutes from now to the aft port of the Zveda service module.
Range 30. All systems are nominal. We are getting ready to send command on page 30. Copy and concur. Once you reach the range of 30, you will be go to send command on page 23. Right, page 23, that's what I meant. Range 30. And decreasing. Sending the BPS initial command. Internal, external LEDs are on. Operational mode on, ON. 4 LEDs are lit. Activating abort plus X, and it's on. LEDs blinked, and they are on, steady. Copy and concur. Continue.
The Core's automated rendezvous system linking up perfectly with the comparable system on the aft port of the Zveda service module. That will align the center of the crosshairs with the docking target that you see almost right at the crosshairs themselves. 30 meters now.
The crosshairs are aligned, Moscow. The range per course is consistent with the visual measurements. The range and the rate are nominal, no issues on any of the systems. Copy. Please continue monitoring final approach. We just had a flag that the antenna has been retracted. Copy, confirming the base AR and the antenna retract as also confirmed.
The Core's antenna now has retracted as planned, 24 meters now separating the two. Perfect alignment between the Progress's docking probe and the docking port of the Zveda service module.
Range 20.
20 meters to go. Range rate of closure 1/10 of a meter per second as prescribed.
Copy. We see that you have passed the 20-meter mark for range. Based on the course, we are going past the 10-meter mark for range. Visually, it's a little less. Docking target is nominal. Yeah, you can ignore the course data from the range of 20 meters and closer. Copy. Approaching 4-meter mark for range. Copy. Crosshairs are aligned nominally. Rate 0.1.
1/10 of a meter per second is the closure rate. Now just a handful of meters away as we stand by for contact and capture of the International Space Station.
No issues on any of the systems. Copy your rate. Standing by for contact. Contact confirmed.
Contact confirmed. Capture confirmed.
Copy. We confirm that there is confirmation of both contact and soft capture, Yuri.
Docking confirmed at 12:58 p.m. Central Time, 1:58 p.m. Eastern Time.